Hey everybody, going to do a quick review on what I think is probably the best mouse trap ever invented. Most mouse traps only have the ability to catch 1 or 2 mice at a time, and most mouse traps are either a live catch and release trap or a kill trap. It's usually either one or the other, which means you have to spend a lot of your time constantly checking the trap to make sure that it's still set. Like these tend to get triggered, the mouse gets away, so on and so forth. Or these, if you have a mouse in your live trap, you kind of have to keep an eye on it. With this bucket here, you have the ability to catch a lot of mice or rats at once, and you can use this as either a live trap or a kill trap. If you want to use this as a live trap, the mouse will go up, drop in. You can fill a little bit of grain in on the bottom of the bucket. That's going to keep the mice alive for a while, where you can then give them a new home somewhere else. If you want to use this as a kill trap, you'll just simply fill the bucket partially full with water, and then whenever the mice drop in, they're not going to last very long. The way this works is really simple. The mice will go up the ladder here. You're going to have a lot of bait, such as peanut butter, up here on the inside of this lid. The mouse is going to be, I've got my little test mouse here. He's going to be drawn up here into this area, and then his weight will trigger this lid to flip down. He will drop down into the bucket, and that's where he will stay. Again, the beauty of this trap is that you can catch 30 mice at a time and not have to reset anything and not have to check anything. So this is just a fantastic design. It's really easy to assemble. It'll work with just about any 5-gallon bucket here. You've got the ladder that separates, put that together, and then it's got a special spot right here where it clips on the side where they want that to go. The lid pops on and off the bucket really easily. There's a couple tabs here on the bottom that'll go right along the bucket lid. I just grabbed a random 5-gallon bucket. This isn't any kind of a special bucket, but then it just clips right on the top and works really well. And then baiting it, again, really simple. You can access the inside of the lid here to put your peanut butter on that's going to draw them in. The beautiful thing about this also, being an all plastic design like this, it's really easy to wash and clean whenever you would need to do that. Very inexpensive, all things considered. If you want to put this out in a garage or a barn, this is going to be the last mouse trap you ever have to purchase. Just a really impressive design, really smart. Just nothing bad to say about this. It's going to work out really well for just about anybody.